Hey everybody, I'm Hannah here with Coco Youth, and today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so I have thoroughly washed my hands, soap and water, 20 seconds, got all the germs off. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees and I lined a baking sheet with parchment paper, or if you don't have parchment paper, you could use tin foil. And now I have my big mixing bowl. I'm gonna go in with half a cup of butter. Get that in there. And a quarter cup of white sugar. And half a cup of brown sugar. All right, now my mixture is all creamy. I'm gonna put the egg in. 1 egg. And we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And beat that again on a low speed. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with the dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cup of flour. And half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to slowly combine it in with our wet ingredients. All right, so there's our dough. I'm going to fold in our chocolate chips, gently combine them, and there we go. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge to cool for about half an hour.
Now that they're all put on our tray and evenly spaced, I'm gonna put them in the oven on the middle rack at 400 degrees. Right, so we've taken our chocolate chip cookies out of the oven. They were in for an even 10 minutes and they look and smell delicious. Wash your hands before you eat them.